we are at the USS Lexington Museum at CORPUS Christi TX. Now, a bit of history. US Lexington was an early aircraft carrier in the US Navy. Now, it was commissioned in 1928 and was part of the Pacific Fleet for its entire career until it retired in 1990. And this ship, along with its sister one, the Saratoga, they refined and developed a lot of aircraft carrier tactics through several yearly practices during the 1930s in order to prepare for the Second World War. And in 1931, the US Lexington, what it did was, during the earthquake in Nicaragua, they provided supplies to those who needed. And during the Second World War, the US Lexington was in use, but unfortunately during Pearl Harbor it was out at sea, so not much use here. But now the US Lexington IV got destroyed in May of 1942 by torpedo damage, so they decided to take it out of commission. Fortunately, US Lexington V, which is this one, was under construction at the time, and they decided to let it take over and became US Lexington V. Okay, so now let's have a look. Right now we're in the museum part, which was underneath the part of the aircraft carrier. Look down here, before it goes here. And then look over here. Here's some of the planes you see on them here. Okay? Now just look back here where I was here. This one here is an example of one of the warplanes. This was a dive bomber used in the Second World War by Douglas. Okay, so that's that part. When we get to the deck, we'll talk then. Hi everybody, here we are on the deck of the USS Lexington. Now, it's located in Corpus Christi Bay. It was transformed into an aircraft carrier. Now, it seems pretty big, but look, right here we got the structure deck right here with all the controls that go on. There. Right here, we got the caliber gun. You can see all kinds of aircraft here. Back on the side there. Look at some of these aircrafts. These are all the aircrafts that you saw during the time period this was in commission. It goes all the way back to here. Not bad, eh? Okay, so you see the size of it, and it's in Corpus Christi Bay, and that is the flight deck. Hi everybody, here we are at the Navigator Department headquarters. This is where the quartermaster used to operate. He was responsible for the skillful navigation, the safety, and the reliable communications of the aircraft carrier. Let's have a look around the room here. What it looked like. Okay, now we're going to head down the hallway here. Step. Kind of narrow in here. Okay, now right here we have the captain's sea cabin. This is where he would, rest, of course, when he was at sea. And heading down this way here, we're heading into the bridge. Now the bridge was the primary control position when this ship was underway. It was the area where all the commands and orders were issued, and it affected the movements and the safety of the ship. I'll look around here. Okay, so let's go in here now. Here it is over here, guys, folks. Okay, so that's the bridge and the navigation department. Talk later. Hi everybody, we are now concluding the USS Lexington tour. Now, one thing you might have missed with all the wind was that this boat was originally a battle cruiser, but eventually it was transformed into an aircraft carrier. Okay, now this is the outside. Let's have a look at the boat right off. A good look over there. See that? How big it is? The outside. And then over here, all the way down to there. Okay. All right, so that's the USS Lexington, and we hope you've enjoyed. Folks, just a little encore. The Lexington on this side of it here, all the way down to there, and there's a location in Corpus Christi Harbor.